go. Hey everybody, Van Girl Cheryl here. I am in front of the stove, as you can see, and I'm about to cook some fresh caribou. Now, I was told how to do it, and I hope I do it right. In the pan, I've got a stainless steel pan, that's all I'm using. I've got about, I probably have like a half a cup of butter in here. But she did say to use a lot of butter, so that's what I'm gonna do. And for what I have in the fridge is Dairyland unsalted butter. So that's what I put in. I still got a little bit left, yay. So I'll just put that aside. And as we melt the butter, I'll get myself a spatula. And let's get this melted up. Now, I've never had caribou before, never mind fresh caribou. So this is going to be a delicacy for certain. I'm gonna try and coach you along as I go. Although keep in mind, I've never done this before, so I kind of don't really know what I'm doing myself. But simple ingredients, melted butter, and she said lots of onion. So I have 1.5 large onion cut up here. I'm using red onion. That's my preference. Is when I buy onions, if I can get a bag of red, I'll get a bag of red. So yeah, so we'll just let these saute up a bit. Shouldn't take too long. Make sure I'm on high. Hello. And look, while this is starting to warm here, look at this. Look at this. Now, I gotta tell you what, this meat is so lean. My knife isn't the sharpest knife in the world, just sliced right through it. Now, her suggestion was to cut into strips, so I've cut it into strips. Oh, some of these are pretty long. Perhaps I'll shorten them up a bit. Yeah, so let's just do that while the onions saute. So I've already put out quite a few videos today. I don't know if I'll release this today. I don't want you guys to get sick of me. It's just every time I get excited about something, I'm like, oh my god, and then, yeah. And then I tape it, and I'm certainly don't have a shortage of videos at the moment. But I want these in strips, so I don't want to come too short. Just the really long ones. There we go. Ah, good enough. Good enough. That's okay. And just wash it clear. There we go. We're on a go. So all I'm putting in this is, it's a towel. All I'm putting in this is butter, onions, caribou meat, and salt and pepper. That's it, that's all. We're gonna just taste it like that. And actually, yeah, I'm gonna put salt and pepper. I wasn't going to put salt and pepper because I wanted to taste the caribou without spice, but I have more caribou. And this is just a small little piece of the rump that she gave me. So I'm gonna figure out how to do it another way. And actually tonight I left a small piece frozen because that is another way to eat it. So I'm gonna eat it frozen and raw tonight. And of course I'll record it, but yeah, again, I don't know. Oh yes, oh my gosh. You know how onions smell when they're cooking in butter? Like heaven, I'm in heaven. I don't know the rest of the song. I'm an onion. I'm an onion. I am an onion. Peeling off layer by layer. Alright. I'm very pleased to have a little 2-burner stove. Very pleased indeed. Okay, so, you know what? I'm gonna just put her in. Look, here she goes. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, there's a piece of seaweed. Get that out. I know I shouldn't have put my hand in there, but it's up high. Anyway, no excuse. I should have done that, but I did. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got boo in my tummy. Gonna have boo in my tummy. So, I'm not sure how much. I'm gonna say 2 dashes of salt. Maybe that was 4. 2 dashes of pepper. Maybe that was 3. And let's get this going on. Oh, fuck. Stop. Come on in. You okay? Yeah. Cooking. Okay. The caribou. But it's wired. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Don't shock yourself. Maybe
No.
open up your window.
It's all taped in there.
There you go.
I'll go in the kitchen.
Whew. As long as you're okay, that's the main thing.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
End of video. I'm gonna go cook it in a different kitchen. I'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, ciao for now.